Hey, can I have a minute? Like, yeah, I'm a YouTuber, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. First, I must say, looking very beautiful.
Thank you.
I'm trying to get more subscribers as well. Okay, can you step a little bit?
Yeah, I'll get out of the way.
It is so polite of you to stop.
Of course, yeah.
Yeah. So big up every time. I'm from Jamaica. You're American?
My ethnicity is Dominican, but I was born
Dominican.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Yeah, massive. Big up every time. You don't know. Welcome to another episode on Jamaica Walk By. You don't know. We're still there in Queens. We're still there in New York. Massive, trust me. Right about now, I'm going to showcase to you one of the biggest malls I come across so far. And this mall is known as Queens Center Mall. See? It is massive. Inside of it is beautiful. You understand? Where else can you find beautiful people other than Queens? You understand? Look good now, man. Look on the man. Yeah, massive. This don't give it any justice at all. It's massive. All the way you can see down there is the mall. It's the mall have about maybe 6 or so levels inside there, even a underground level. You understand? And we're gonna walk through this mall today and showcase it to you to let you see what it looks like. So all of my massive, if you just start watch now, please maybe go like the video. May I wait. We're out in the street right on Queens Boulevard, massive. So I'm at actually 59th Avenue. You don't know, I'm just bend down right at the nice to go cook shop here. I go on easy with this nice beautiful lady. Where she gone? Yeah, but she was right there, so she did the right so. Yeah, nice Spanish lady, but oh, there she is. So that's the nice beautiful lady there. Yeah, so we actually get a few stuff from her. See how she nice? I'm telling them how beautiful you are. Huh? I'm telling them how beautiful you are and nice. Yeah, so yeah, massive. So let's do this. Big up yourself here and take it easy. The Jamaican money, he wanted to trick you with the Jamaican money. You're so smart. Yeah, so big up every time, massive. So let's go. If you don't know Queen Center Mall, now at the time for you. If you're not comment yet, please may I ask you to comment, like the video now, man. Yeah, and let's do this. Yo, very sweet, babe. Look good now, man. Look now, man. So this is actually Queens Boulevard, inner Queens. Yeah, no joke, no doubt. And we're gonna showcase to the mall, natural walking through and bathing. See? Yeah, so let's go, let's do this. So we're in a Queens, massive, you don't know. Yeah. So I'm definitely going to give you a walk of Queens Boulevard in a Queens, New York, to make you see. But today, I want to show you the mall. Yeah, man, no joke, no doubt. So massive, if I see me mute the mic, you know, music I go play and them look a thing there, so I mute the mic from time to time and things like that. Yeah. This is nothing. This is just the ground floor and the mall is massive. They're currently doing some construction and such. See them where. Massive. Let's go. I don't even know where to turn, yo. But let's do it. Moisturizer.
Yes, moisturizer.
This is a sample?
Es el sample.
Oh.
¿Tú qué usas para los poros? Peeling.
Oh, so if I have dry skin?
Yes.
Oh, it's good for that.
Es free. Come. It's free.
It's free? So this is your business? This is your business here? What do you do here? Just skincare?
The skincare. Mira. This is peeling.
Oh.
Mira. Come.
Oh, okay.
Sit. Un minuto.
All right. So you're just gonna do a spot here for free?
Yes.
All right.
Mira. Ahí.
All right.
Bacterias.
Okay. So is it on Instagram?
Yes.
And what's the page called?
Aguardame un segundo que my English is muy poquito.
Okay, that's fine. Do you have a card?
Ya te digo. Amiga. No, inglés.
This is for deep cleaning, okay?
Oh, for deep cleaning.
Yes, at least once per week, okay?
Okay. So what if I want to see more of it? Like go on Instagram and see other products and all that, and then like look it up and stuff like that. They have an Instagram page?
We have a página web.
Website? What's the website?
La valera is the same like this, but here it's cheaper than in the website.
Okay, got it.
So this is for you to start take care of your skin. This is for people who don't care or have anything. This is for deep cleaning, okay?
Yeah.
We have another one for the dark spots also, okay?
Yeah, you're doing a great job, man. Nice.
You need to take care, be careful.
Yeah, I'm from Jamaica. Yeah, the sun is hot. You get skin burns all the
I
time.
know, but that's no reason for don't take care of yourself.
Yeah, I got you. So yeah, a lot.
Look, when was the last time did you take a wash?
Yeah.
A shower?
Different.
Like one quarter ago.
Different. Yeah. Soft.
Y más blanco, más
Healthy.
Soft.
It's clear back here.
Yeah. For real. And this is this?
85.
What's the name? Lawful there?
Mira.
And both are organic and dermatologic. Okay, we are dermatology brand. That's the highest.
Oh yeah.
Organic,
Okay.
dermatology.
So you need use this for once per week. It
Once per week.
depends. If you are more exposed to the dirtiness, to the pollution. It depends, okay?
Wow.
But at least every day you need something for clean and something for irritation, okay? And the last step, for the most important for you, is the sunscreen, okay?
Sunscreen.
Because if you don't use with the time, this dark spot
Teach me. That's nice.
is going to grow up, okay? And darker. Okay, that's really sunscreen, okay?
You guys selling me right now. Like, trust me, you guys
No.
doing a great job. And it looks different already.
Look.
Very different.
Okay. This one, look. This one is for deep cleaning, okay?
That.
This one is for irritation, okay?
Okay.
And this one is for protection, okay?
Alright.
So we have this one because this is really good. Has sunscreen for this kind of light also, okay? Both the sunlight and this light can produce hyperpigmentation. What do you have is hyperpigmentation, okay?
Oh yeah.
For that I told you, if you don't do anything for that, with the time it's going to grow up. You don't want that, so be careful, okay?
Thank you for, and I'm in the sun a lot.
Okay. And
Yeah.
do you know the
Wow.
skin of the face, the neck and the hand, the skin and the part of your body? That's why it's so sensitive, okay? And you have more sensitive than normal because
I love the feel of it. It is so
Yeah.
smooth. I know my face on this side, what it feels like. So to be feeling it,
que le encanta. Como le
yeah,
Mira,
that's
ahora
great.
vamos a
Today
ponerle
we
un
have
poco.
sale. You can take together for the price of for only one. So you can take together for 140.
Oh, so there's just $100 for this.
For both.
Okay, got you.
150.
Ah,
And if you want, you can take the sunscreen, okay, for 140. Okay, when was the last time did you do a facial?
it's been
For
a
deep
while.
cleaning.
It's
For
been a
deep
while.
For
Yeah,
deep clean. When was the last time did you do a facial for?
it's been a while, a good while.
Okay.
I need to really do some facial and some pedicure and manicure, but I'm being so busy.
¿Qué dice?
So that's all you do. That's all you
We only
do.
do facial for you. Okay.
So this is all you do. Just rub it in like this.
You need both. You need something for deep and you need this one. Okay. Okay. But touch only with the deep cleaner. Okay.
Yeah,
Ayer le
looks
gustaba
different
mucho
already.
hacer, no entiendo.
¿Qué?
¿Por qué lo volviste a hacer?
Porque me encantó hacerle la cara
wow,
para que vea realmente que está bueno para el piel.
it's different.
Sí,
Soft
different.
now. Touch now.
Oh man, that's crazy. It's nice. And this is a sample.
This is the sample, only the moist. We don't have more sample, okay? That's why
Alright.
we need to check here, okay?
I'm going to be on the plaza. I'm gonna do a few errands around, and definitely I'm gonna have to try and come and get
One
these
day
shoes.
today, you're already here. You don't need to go out and come back.
No, I'm just doing a lot of stuff. I'm gonna do some other stuff on the mall and stuff. But we're going over. We're going over. I definitely. I am surprised of this.
You only need day one at least in this moment.
Wow.
Because when you left the store, you're going to forget, like all your life. Okay?
Yeah, no, I'm different. Trust me.
Here.
What?
Here. Again.
Yeah, it is clean and it's different, and it's just a simple rub you rub.
Yes, this one is only one step. This one.
Yeah.
It's
Where's
really-
10? 10. Where did it go? Yeah, I'm
It's
trying to-
fine. It's not.
Nice.
And it's organic and dermatologic.
And you're saying- You're saying for both of them, it's how much?
This one, 85. If you take together, you can pay for 45 and half.
Oh.
No. No, sorry, my
Yeah,
pronunciation.
that's alright.
Both.
Both of them for 150.
And you can pay only one for 85. So if you take
185.
together, it's better because it's cheaper. Okay?
I'm definitely. If I don't get both of them, I'm gonna get one. All right.
That's okay. You can take it already. You're
But I can't do it. Right. I have so much equipment and stuff on me. I didn't walk with any cash or anything like that right now. I definitely have to go back to the car anyways to do it. because yeah, I'm with this guy. We're just doing some other stuff. So
Same thing. That's for the deep cleaner. Okay.
look at, you see the difference, man? Look at this and this. I see. Very good product.
This helps you with this blackhead and all because everything about this process is dirtiness, etc. At the beginning you didn't see, but with the time it's like a blackhead appear. Okay.
Yeah, but definitely if I can't get both of them, I'm gonna get one.
Okay.
I can say that to you. Yeah.
Not mine. No, hey. But when you left the store, you're going to forget.
No, we're not. No. We're not gonna
Because
forget.
you are spending all your life forget that.
We're not. You don't have to show us. This alone that you did was great. I'm not gonna forget. As I said, if I can't afford both of them, I'll try one. All right.
Okay.
All right.
If you
but I didn't walk with any cash also because of what I'm doing. I didn't walk with any cash at all. You guys sold me. If I had the cash right now, I would definitely buy it. If it's even one. Oh, this is my camera. I have a camera too. Like I do stuff. I'm a vlogger. So I didn't even get a chance to tell you. But I'm a YouTuber. Okay? Yeah, and I've been recording all that you just did a while ago, and I know my fans are gonna love what you just did.
Oh my God.
Yeah, don't get shy now. Don't get shy now. Yeah, you looked in the camera and you saw it now. So she didn't know I had a camera I was recording. So I got all that, and that was great.
She doesn't speak English.
See, you do, but I want to give you a personal shout out for what you just did. You're a very great sales rep. You too. Can you tell her that she's very great sales rep?
Okay.
And I just wanna. So definitely, you guys sold me, and I wanted to give the Instagram page a shout out. I have a big platform, right?
Okay.
Big advertisement, all right?
Okay.
Can we come on this side right here so I can talk without the music?
Okay.
I'll give you some more. Yeah. So you speak English. Come right here. You speak English. So the music inside. So you did a great job, and what you said about the product, and when I saw my face, it was beautiful. Look at it, big difference, smooth, it's very smooth. So this is the product here, Lalvalier, right?
Yes.
You guys did a great job. Where are you from? Colombia. Argentina. You guys did great, and I said, if I don't get both of them, I'm gonna try and get one. All right. So bless up and much love. All right. I'm doing this episode on the mall.
Guys, come back, okay?
Yeah, great job. All right. Should I keep this?
Yes, of course. You need to take care.
Thank you so much. All right. I'll be back. All right. That was excellent. That was just beautiful of them to do that, and I don't travel with any money at all on me, so I'm doing these walks. It is hard to travel with that amount of money because of anything. You don't know what might happen. You just don't know what will happen or what. So I don't travel with that kind of amount of money on me to do that, and both of those products are like $150, right? So yeah. But the cream though, my face needed that. It's this one right here with some other stuff. So I'm endorsing this. It makes my face look extremely different already. Like just a simple rub on and wipe off, and it was amazing. Trust me. So I'm definitely trying one of these. But yeah, back to the mall. So then again, if you hear me mute the mic, it's copyright. So I'm not even sure if they're going to hear me properly in that audio, or I'm going to have to cut the audio out. I don't know. Let's see. So we're on the second floor. I think we should have gone to the ground floor. Let's go to the ground floor, cause I think we're on the second floor, right? Let's see the ground floor first. How do we go down?
This is the ground floor. That's like the basement.
That's the base?
Yeah.
How do we get down there? Hey, can I have a minute? Like, yeah, I'm a YouTuber, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah. First, I'm gonna say, looking very beautiful.
Thank you.
I'm trying to get more subscribers as well. Okay, can you step a little
Okay,
bit?
yeah, I'll get out of the way.
It is so polite of you to stop.
Of course, yeah.
Yeah, so big up every time. I'm from Jamaica. You're American?
My ethnicity is Dominican, but I was born
Dominican. Yeah. So yeah, I'm a YouTuber. What can I talk to people and I give them free advertisement? Some persons are randomly ask you like for a shout out. So can I give your Instagram a shout out?
Yeah.
What's your Instagram?
Annabelle LMT ANABELLELMT.
All right. So you're on TikTok too?
I'm on TikTok.
What's
too,
your
yeah.
TikTok?
Annabelle Almonte, same first name, ALMONTE.
Okay. All right then.
And I got 2,000 followers. I'll give you a shout out too.
All right. That sounds great. That's great. What?
Because the mom, grab it.
Man, yeah, I understand. No problem though. But can I finish talking to the lady? All right, yeah. So it's Jamaica Walk By, all right. So you can check my platform out. I'm in America here. It's from Jamaica. I showcase the natural ambience and everything in Jamaica. You ever been to Jamaica?
I haven't.
You haven't?
I
You
want to
should.
go.
It's great. Let me see Instagram. So
Yeah, I'll give you.
can I see your Instagram so I can make sure? And my YouTube channel. Can I ask you to subscribe? Oh,
Of course.
that's your Instagram. What? I'm asking you to subscribe to my YouTube
Of
right
course,
away.
yeah.
That would be so nice.
Of course.
Yeah. Why are you so nice though? Why are you so cool?
Because I understand what it's like to want to get yourself out there. I wanted to do YouTube too, but it never worked out. So I want to just help out as many people as I can.
Oh yeah, because most person when you talk to them, it's kind of difficult. Like I don't know, it's just hard. Like just to have a simple conversation. You know, I love it in America.
Yeah.
It's my first time here, and I think the place is beautiful. It's nice and such. This is your favorite mall? Say yes.
I used to work here, but yeah, this is I have to. But
That is it. So Jamaica Walk By.
Yeah, just sit there.
Let me just put this away. Or you want to hold my phone for me?
I'll hold your phone. Yeah, don't worry. I'm not gonna
All
run.
right, that is. I have yours.
Yeah, can't run away.
I see. Hey, that's Jamaica. YouTube is a lot of work.
It really is.
Yeah, you gotta know how to. So this is it. That's the channel right here.
Subscribe.
Ah, so you see, Massive, she subscribed right away.
Put on all notifications.
Oh, you know it, man. Let me make sure you find me on Instagram too. I'll give you my support if you wanna try YouTube again. I am willing to help you and to give you some promotion. It's free advertisement because you're nice. All right. Yeah. So it's Jamaica Walk By on Instagram too. You're so cool.
Thank you. I try to be.
Yeah, like sometimes I'm skeptical to talk to
Is this you
females.
has the same profile picture as the...
Yeah, that's one of my page. That's the Amazon one, but you can go and you see the one that says,
Is it-
yeah, that's, go back. This one here. Yeah, so I'm definitely gonna follow you back right here. Yeah, can you find you?
Yeah, of course.
So you wanted to do YouTube?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, but why didn't you continue?
Honestly, I was lack of motivation. I was going through a lot mentally, and I just couldn't like get the motivation to. But now I'm just doing my own thing. I'm very spiritual now. I'm like focusing on like peace, giving off the energy that people give me, focusing on myself. So if I want to get back into YouTube, I definitely will try it out.
I promise you I will help you. When I just started, I'm almost 100,000 subscribers now.
I saw. Congratulations.
Yeah, I hit the 100,000 on Instagram. I'm trying to hit it on YouTube. When I just started, I used to have to use a next phone to watch my own stuff. Yeah, for real. And look at it now, I have millions of views. You know, so I didn't give up. I just continue. A lot of persons said nobody will watch my videos and stuff like that, and I still continue. So I'm gonna encourage you, if it's something that you like and you're passionate about it, you can do it. All of us is a winner. It's just who put in the more, you know what I mean?
Yeah, you gotta put in the effort, yeah.
Yeah, so it is just great. One love. Thank you for coming out. I love your outfit.
Thank you.
It's beautiful. It's nice.
You're
neat.
such a great person too, good energy. You're gonna do great things.
I'm trying. That's what they say. All right. Oh, that security said I must stop rolling my camera, so I'm gonna stop rolling the camera out, and then I'm gonna try see if I can hide and continue because he's watching me. All right. Yeah.
Good luck.
So Massive, I'm telling you, that was a great conversation because what I realized is some of the persons over here don't want to talk, or if you try to talk to some of them, they speak Spanish.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like 10th floor. So yeah, we try to motivate persons as we go and things like that, you know. And make it all natural. Yeah. Yeah, man. So massive if I don't talk to persons, but I realize that the security guard, they tends to pick you up when you talk to persons to know that if you're recording or not. You understand? But I want to showcase the place, so let's see how that goes. Yeah, I have to mute it again. Alright, so this is actually the ground floor, and we'll go back up on the second floor, right then? So basically that's what the underground, this was like the underground, right? Yeah. We'll check out the second floor, our first floor this. That's up. Our ground floor.
Yeah, ground floor.
Yeah. Alright, so we're actually right here back again. So I'm gonna do another side now so you see more of this bazaar. It's massive. Let's go. So this leads to another entrance here and things. So we're gonna go back, alright? Let's do this. This is a massive mall, massive, very big, very big. currently on the second floor, I guess. Yeah, massive. So there you have it. That was the mall, yo. That was the Queen Boulevard Shopping Center. Mad beautiful, massive mall, crazy amount of store. Just a simple look walk through to make you see what it look like and think it's amazing. You understand? No joke, no doubt. If you there's so many things there for you to get and shop and stuff like. Trust me, it's just crazy. I'm definitely going back to check out a few of the stores. Remember me that talked to the lady about the thing about my face, like me really love how my face feels. It's very expensive though. Sorry, but I'm not sure me can buy all of them. Me can buy like one product for use for my face, cause God knows sunburn and them things they really did my bad. So big up to everybody who stay tuned and watch a video. I just go on easy back and think whole heap of, you don't know, whole heap of things are going. I'm definitely going to do a video of Queens Boulevard. Like this boulevard looks so interesting to walk. I'm definitely going to try to see if I can walk it. You know? Yeah, so bless up, respect, mad love. Thank you guys so much. It has been awesome. If you want to stay tuned and watch the entire video and like the video, I super appreciate that. Make sure you drop a comment and then make a thing there as we go forward. You know, so that's the reason why we grow. Mad love, mad respect. We're signing out. Bye bye.